Top 5 World Records. This day in history, November 27th, 1954. Highest freefall parachute jump. Joseph Kittinger set the record for the highest freefall jump, plummeting from an altitude of 76,400 feet to test high-altitude parachuting for the U.S. Air Force. 1991. Longest human domino chain. A record-breaking 13,000 participants created a human domino chain, demonstrating teamwork and coordination on an unprecedented scale. 1986. Longest dance marathon. Anita Ray's Strange danced for an astonishing 123 hours, earning her a place in history as the queen of endurance dancing. 2008. Most simultaneous fireworks launched. In Dubai, over 77,000 fireworks were launched in a synchronized display, lighting up the sky in a spectacular celebration. 2020. Largest online quiz participation. Over 114,000 participants joined an online quiz organized in India, setting a new benchmark for global online events. Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history, subscribe, like, and share.